Hello, crafters! This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and before I get into Crafty Advent Calendar Day 1, I have to give you guys some crafty news. Crafty Advent Calendar goes from December 1st to the 24th. Every day you'll see a new example from many Spellbinders makers. If you did not get the Advent Calendar and you're wondering, why didn't I get it? You have one last chance. I saw on Simon Says stamp today, crossing my fingers, it's still there. If it is still there, pause this video, run over to Simon Says stamp. They have some of the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar in stock. She's a huge box of goodies and it's discounted. If you want to get one as a last minute crafty gift for a friend, you can pick up one there. There will be a direct link below in my description box. Please, I don't know how many they have. If you missed out before, now's your time to get your own Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. 2 thumbs up. I was so happy when I saw that because I know some of you are going to start seeing the examples and you're going to be like, oh gosh, I should have gotten it. Last year was fantastic. This year, just another out the ballpark winner. Love. Also, yesterday was the end of the Cyber Monday sale. It was an extension of the Black Friday sale at Spellbinders. I looked at the clearance section last night. A lot of what was there as steals and deals are also in clearance now. For example, the Merry Glimmer Sentiments is still there for $5. They're probably clearancing this out. I have a bunch of these. Fabulous for sentiments and such for Christmas, okay? This you would use with your glimmer machine. Also, I showed you in a recent haul video that Spellbinders had sold out of the scored and pierced rectangles. This beauty. This is not a full A2 size. I believe it's 4 inches wide, 5 1/4 inch tall, somewhere in there. I reviewed it in that other video. This is now back in stock. So you'll get the embossed detail and that dot detail frame. This has sold out before. Now it's back. Again, thumbs up. The main thing I wanted to tell you about is that I saw this in stock at Simon Says Stamp and discounted. Yay! Now let's get into my day 1 of the Crafty Advent Calendar. Let's get started. It is now December 1st. What does that mean? Advent Calendar time. Let's open it up. So you get 24 days all spread out in this. I love this so much. And in here, you're going to get a combination of dies, embossing folders, stamps, embellishment, and stencils. I will do a video all the way up until the 24th every day showing you an example. Sometimes I'll even do a tutorial. Alrighty, crafters, let's go into day 1. On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. Yes, I do sing with this. I love the whole Advent Calendar. This is the 2nd anniversary of the Advent Calendar. I love this. This is like my own little Christmas gift. All the way through. Oh, it's a die set. Yay. And it's a car. Let's take a look. I'm going to bring the packaging back because this looks like this. I love that, Spellbinders, with a gift. There are the tires. This is for the gift, the bow. That's the trim, like the ribbon. And then there is a for you. So the for you looks like it can go, maybe it goes in here if you want, but you don't have to. Then you could turn this into a tag, and that's for the little rim for your tire. Oh, that's cute. Can you see? Hopefully you can see. Okay, crafters, so I moved it over to the side so you can see it by itself. All right, let's take a look at my example. This is a 5x7 card. I decided to do some ink blending, did a whole lot of splatter to represent snow, even splattered on my car. This item that is representing snow, this is my first time using it. It is called True Snow. I will put a link for it because it's good. It's opaque. It's thick. It's dimensional. I just use a small paintbrush to apply it. I did it up here. I did it on the side of the presents. So I'm going to definitely put that in the description below. Also, here is the car. At first, I was going to do a navy car. Isn't the car cute? It is inspired by the graphics on the Advent Calendar box. At first, I had cut a navy car, but then, I don't know, something was saying, no, hot pink, hashtag Barbie. So I did the Barbie car instead. But I just wanted to show you that when you cut out the car, you get that. Here is the tire. Then here, that's the rim. And then here's the gift. This part decorates your gift. You can do the bow like this. I also did it facing down. I was just trying to give it variety because I layered 3 of them. Isn't that cute? This was a lot of ink blending. It's supposed to be a night sky in the snow. Car is carrying gifts to go visit somebody. This was recently on sale. I don't think it's on sale now. A Merry Little Christmas Sentiments hot foil plate. I love this. This is from Yana's Glimmer Glam. It is from her delightful Christmas collection, but I called it Glimmer Glam because it's such an elegant, beautiful collection. This hot foil sentiment set with the coordinating die is so fabulous. I have 2 sets of sentiments. Black cardstock, opaque white hot foil roll, pink cardstock with opaque white. Happy holidays, and then this one, have yourself a Merry Little Christmas. I stopped here, but I'm going to show you what I did. So originally, the card is like this. To do that circle, I used scrapbook.com mint tape, cut out the circle with the Everlasting Circles dies. Now, Spellbinders has that wonderful set of nested dies. I just picked one of the circles and did a little mask and then did all my blending, okay? Down here, that is all free-handed using 9-inch Pro Shears. You guys know I love this. So I took the same mint tape and did this type of thing too and created like this layer. So this is a 1-layer scene. There's nothing popped up here and nothing here. And then I popped the car on it with some foam. At first, I was going to do it like this, put the sentiment. I originally had pulled this out. When I brought it down here, it's too heavy, too much empty space. I put it up here. So I'm just showing you ideas just in case. Like that. But what I think I'm going to go with, I'm going to cover it up and do that. I like this better. But I just wanted to show you that originally it was this. But I am going to cover it. I like the black with the black edging here. I like the contrast from down here. The car, let me give you a measurement on it. My goodness, I'm all over the place today. Oh, today's Friday, but boy, today felt like a Monday, let me tell you. Took the day off, had a doctor's appointment. Then I went to the pharmacy, drama at the pharmacy. I'm so out of it. So let me tell you how much this is. 2 3/4 of an inch wide by 1.5 inch tall, fully assembled for the car. The car is just so cute. Crafters, just seeing this alone, go get the Advent Calendar on sale. Down here, the Make It Merry Florals. This was on sale. This is my second set. I love this. I'm using here Spellbinders Velvet Rose cardstock and Spellbinders Forest cardstock. I love this combination together. There's the poinsettias. Here is all the greenery. I also used, again, that True Snow. Love the True Snow. It's just a little jar. I just forgot to take it out. My mind, yeah. My Friday felt like a Monday. Wasn't supposed to happen that way. Was supposed to be smooth and easy. But I hope you guys like this. So this is Crafty Advent Calendar Day 1. Spellbinders is starting off the Advent Calendar again this year with a bang. Yay. Loving it. I love the little car. Love the presents. I turned it winter. Of course, this could be birthday, anything. It's just adorable. Okay, crafters, everything else beyond even the Advent Calendar, I guess, will be detailed and linked below. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Come back tomorrow for day 2. Also, come back tomorrow. I had planned on doing the Kit Club video. Kit Club is now out. I have my card, one of them. I'll give you a sneak peek. This is the large die of the month. 2 thumbs up times 2 for this one. Look at that large die of the month. Love. So come back tomorrow for my Kit Club video. All right, crafters. Until the next video, day 1. Thumbs up winner. Stay crafty, my friends. Bye.